Now, if you've ever witnessed your dog reverse sneezing, it is the scariest moment. You think that they're having like a heart attack or something, you need to rush them to the vets. But no, it's just a weird sneezing where they sneeze backwards. But I've got a simple hack that fixes it most of the time. So if your dog's in the middle of a reverse sneezing attack, it's going to take one finger, just place it over one nostril. Just one, and that should stop it. Sometimes you might have to do it again, but just place one finger over one nostril, and that should cure their reverse sneeze attack. Thank me later.